All right, folks, listen up. I'm getting tons of complaints from fellow publishers saying that they're not making any money. Honestly, guys, how are you not making money publishing? People are literally making millions of dollars a year publishing books right now. With AI helping with ideas and everything getting so much faster, with marketing getting easier, you could expand to so many people with so many amazing AI tools and so many ways to market your books. There is no way you guys can't be making so much money. You guys could launch book after book after book and stack these on top of each other. So if you guys are not making enough money publishing, I am going to break it all down right here and hopefully solve this problem for you guys right here, right now. Smash that like button and let's dive in. Right. So you're the little guy. You're this little guy. And all the other big publishers are kicking your butt right now. So what are you going to do about this? I'm here to help you guys with this problem today. I broke down a lot of videos here. They've been a bit boring, a lot of them, but nonetheless, there's a lot of education there. But the general gist is, what do you do to beat this big guy? Two things. You want more books than him. For one, that's just common sense. If you have more books, then you're more likely to beat him. If you've got 10 books and he's only got 2 books, then you might actually have a chance to get more sales than him, provided your books are good. Which leads me to point number 2, which is your books need to be better than his. You need to have top-notch books. If his book is this and it's really good, your book should be bigger, better, more awesome. So your whole thing is to beat your competitor. You want to outwork him. That is the same thing with every industry, guys. You want to outwork this guy, make better books, and you want to make more books than him. Okay? So we're off to a good start here. So what do we have so far? Basically, number 1, we want more books than this guy. And number 2, we want better quality. BQ, we want better quality than this guy. And then number 3, we want better marketing. Big one, massive one. This is where the dollar signs are, guys. You want to have TikTok channels, YouTube channels, Instagram, everything. You want everything leading back to your better quality book, all of your better quality books. So what you want is as much traffic as humanly possible, going to as many books as possible, making sure that these are amazing books, and then you're going to beat this guy. Your competitor that is so large right now, he is only large because he hasn't met his most fierce competitor yet, which is you. Now, when you come in after this education that you're getting right here, you're going to walk in and you're going to kick his butt. Because why? Because everything is better. You have more books, better books, your marketing is better, and lastly, your big one, your launch. Your launch is going to be fire. You're going to have the biggest launch with a ton of verified reviews. As I've talked about before with Book Bounty, I'm going to stop using Book Bounty for a little while here because it's just taking up a lot of extra time. But a lot of amazing, high quality, good star, verified reviews for your book launch. I'm talking like hundreds of reviews. If you guys had a couple of Book Bounty accounts, you guys could effectively, and I'm not saying you have multiple accounts, I'm saying you have one, maybe your wife has one, maybe your son has one, and then you're here racking up bounty points for this big launch so you can smack them out of the park with your crazy marketing. You're going to get tons of reviews and you're going to get insane marketing and you're going to really rally in the troops on this thing. You want momentum here, guys, because what this is all about is rigging the algorithm, right? This is what I was trying to tell you guys to do many times before here. Gonna erase this and keep moving because what you need to do here is you need to rig the algo. You need to rig this in your favor because you guys know the rules of the algo that the first week of your book launch, right here, first week of your book launch is massive. You need to send everyone there on your first week. Week 1 needs to be humongous. Lots of verified reviews, lots of traffic. Have everyone from everywhere coming to see this book. Have a couple of days out of that first week, preferably, that you're giving this book away for free, and you can run that for your ARC group. This is one little secret that I haven't really given away, one little nugget. What you'd want to do is develop yourself an ARC reader group. This is people who are going to read your book and give an honest review. You're going to give away a free copy to these people every time you launch a book in exchange for honest feedback, and preferably you want kind people. You want a reader group that is not naysayers. You want people that are into your content, that believe in your beliefs, that are most likely going to give you a nice 5-star review. You don't want to ask them for it because you can't do that, but you want to get a nice group of loyal people who are more than happy to get a free copy of every single one of your books in exchange for coming in and leaving you about 100 of these verified reviews. Because yes, it goes on as a verified review. If you run this free promotion on Amazon, this free promo, those 3 days out of your 7, those days, if they get that book for $0, it still counts as a verified review. Are you following me? So you're going to get a lot of amazing reviews, really good ones, 5-star verified reviews in week 1, and explode your book with the algo, and then repeat this process a little bit on a smaller scale for week 2, 3, and 4, because your first month 1, is huge, enormous for your book. So this is how you launch properly and devour your competitors. If you guys didn't get this in my other videos, I gave it to you right here, right now. Big nugget, destroy the algo every single time, and I guarantee you guys are gonna fucking win. You're gonna destroy your competitors out there. So that's really, it's important that you guys do this, that you're gonna rig the algo in your favor with the big launch, and do that every single time. Do that with book 1 all the way through book 10, and do this on high scale as fast as possible. Even if you have to get a couple of buddies and say, I'll split some of the profits with you, or whatever you got to do. You want to get a lot of income sources, and you want to get a lot of power, a lot of momentum going behind this thing as quickly as possible. And so back to another point, and this is what I'll leave you guys with, is the high quality books. This is non-negotiable HQ. They need to be top notch. You need amazing books, because when you run this big launch and you send hundreds of people to that book and it's high quality, it will do what? It will get 5-star reviews, and the algo loves that. The algo will smile. Look, we're going to make a big algo smile right there. The algo is happy now, and the algo is going to push your book like crazy over and over again on repeat, and you won't have to do anywhere near as much marketing going forward, because your book was so good and it got amazing reviews and people loved it. And so take some time and really focus on putting effort into these books. It doesn't take that much time. If you had the whole day, if you had the weekend off from work, I would go to argue to say you could write a book every weekend. If you guys are running a job, you guys are going to need to be stacking your reviews, getting your launches ready, getting all your odds and ends done throughout the week, all that other stuff. You want to get that done throughout the week, and then on the weekend, coordinate a nice big launch on your book. And if you guys don't have the time or the effort, if all you guys have is the money to do this, you guys can outsource this, and you can get high quality books written by someone else, by a ghostwriter. So you can find these ghostwriters everywhere for all different prices. You can get them on Fiverr, and I have a ghostwriter that I'm going to recommend to you guys, my own personal ghostwriter that I use if I ever need to get a book written, a high quality ghostwriter. And you can get these ghostwriters anywhere from maybe like $200 for a really short book, all the way to, if you want really good style books, it'll be like $5,000 for a single book if you want some J.K. Rowling type style books. So it really depends on what market you're in. I mean, you can get a good book written for only $200, guys. You do not have to spend crazy amounts, $5,000, but this is good. You guys, the more you spend, generally the higher quality is. What I'm going to give you guys today is both. So this right here is the ghostwriters that I use. I use the Golden Ghostwriters. I know these people very well. I work closely with them. They will do a 10-book series. They're only taking 10 clients on right now. They only have room for 10 because it's a small team, but 10-book series done for you publishing package. And it's a $2,000 discount on right now. So this is basically 10 books for $3,000 would be about $300 per book. If you guys were to compare that to some of the Fiverr gigs that I've seen on here, this lady wants $8,000, and that is for one book. It says one book, $8,000 for one book on here. And so you're getting 10 books for $3,000. So, I mean, this may seem like a high price, but a 10-book series, that's a lot of books, a lot of opportunities to make money. And if you scroll down here, you're going to get all formats. You're going to get Kindle, paperback, hardcover, and even an audiobook format, which each one of these formats serves as its own way to make money. So you're getting 4 formats times 10 books. That is 40 separate formats. So give them a look on here. I will leave the link down below. Contact them right here and book your consultation. Ask them any questions about what kind of book series you guys are looking to create here and see if they can accommodate for it. So like I said, they're only taking 10 spots, so don't delay on this. All right, folks. So to sum it all up, we want to write more books, better books, do better marketing, have a better launch, and then even go as far as have an audience that comes and reviews our book every time we have a launch, so that way we hack the algorithm and beat our competitors. That is how we win and make millions of dollars publishing. And like I said, there is no excuse not to do this. Even if you don't know how to write, you can hire a ghostwriter, do the marketing yourself, and still make all of the money. If you got value, smash that like button, and I will see you on the next video.